Okay, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mic Mini. I actually purchased this to upgrade from my Rode setup to be used on my iPhone as well as my digital camera. So we're going to see what it comes with inside of the box. It's about 245 Australian dollars, which is not bad considering it's a dual mic wireless system. And the reason I went for this over the professional version was purely because the fact that it's a lot smaller. And when I used to place the Rode mic on some of my video projects, it used to weigh quite significantly. And this connects just straight USB-C into the iPhone and you're done, which makes a very convenient setup. Let's figure out how we get into this. So inside the box, we get this little package. Feels pretty premium. Oh, a very nice little carry bag. Okay. Anything else? No. Very nice. Let's put that one to the side. So inside the package, we get two little wind muffs, which is really cool because now we're going to be able to use this for straight onto the mic and have it actually stored inside the case with the microphone, which is pretty awesome. So you get two different wind muff colors. Then we also get here a 3.5 to 3.5 mil, which is for your video camera if you're connecting into that. And then a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Now let's take a look at the actual little setup. Pretty, not that lightweight. It's got a little bit of heft to it, but it's the compactness that works really well. Straight away, you see here it's got a USB charging port, which will allow you to charge all the mics inside and the receiver. Press to unlock. Cool. Bang. Whoa. Straight away turns on, so already had some charge in there. We've got the DJI little mic and another DJI little mic, and it's got these little magnets so you can just attach them. Well, it's nearly attaching back to the case. And we've got the receiver with the adjustment here for the gain, a 3.5 mil jack, the sync button, and then on the back here, yeah, this slides out and you can plug in the USB-C receiver, which will allow you to connect this to your phone. However it goes on. No. Oh, a little bit fiddly. Have to work that one out. Don't want to break anything. And that's it. So the goal is to be able to connect this receiver to my iPhone to be able to record. If you haven't seen the footage and me explaining how good an iPhone 16 Pro can actually be, suggest you go watch those videos because it will make a lot of sense. And you get these two little micro receivers, which is pretty brilliant considering just how small and lightweight they are. Perfect for traveling. Really cool. Looking forward to trialing it, testing it out, and it's going to be the new main mic for me moving forward.